Okay, here we'll be doing some conversion from Kelvin scale to Celsius, and we'll be doing from Celsius to Kelvin. What is expected of you when working this type of problems? Given that this is structured questions that you will need to work with, what you will need to do is as follows. So consider that we have 210 Kelvin and you want to convert it to Celsius. For your solution, you will need to do this. You will do on the side solution, and these are the steps that I want to see. Put solution, Kelvin is equals to Celsius plus 273 value. Okay, that doesn't carry any degree sign. Since I already have it in Kelvin, I need to find Celsius. So what I do, I apply algebra and I rearrange to get C by itself. So by doing that, I end up with C degrees Celsius equals Kelvin take away 273. All right, so now I could take my value of 210, put 210 minus 273, and that gives me a degrees of negative 63 degrees Celsius. So if this were being allotted points, I'm going to give you one for your units, one for the correct value, one for proper substitution, one for the equation, and one for rearranging the equation, and that will give you your 5 points. So I want to see all of these steps whenever you're given a problem like this. So this is the way you're going to be solving them. So this is your solution, and then you will come here and put negative 63 degrees Celsius. Do not leave it without the symbol of degrees, otherwise you will lose a point there too. So let's do another one. 800 Kelvin. Solution, again, solution will then be Kelvin equals degrees Celsius plus 273. All right, Celsius value equals Kelvin take away 273. Okay, so now you will substitute the value of Kelvin and put 0 degrees Celsius equals 800 take away 273. Degrees Celsius is equals, then when you subtract this you end up with 527 degrees Celsius. That's your value. You're going to put here now 527 degrees Celsius. Okay, that's for the conversion part of Kelvin to Celsius. Now let us go from Celsius to Kelvin. I fold this so it can fit on the screen. There we are. So first thing, you need to state your equation. So for your solution part will be as follows. Solution, Kelvin equals degrees Celsius plus 273. What is it that I have? I have the 800 degrees Celsius, which I'm going to substitute here. So I put now Kelvin is equals the 800 plus 273. Kelvin is equals then to 1073. Okay, so that's what you need to do for this one here. Equation, substitution, correct value, no unit stated, so you get your full marks for no units also. Okay, so you also have 5 points to get here. That's the correct way, right? And then you put here 1073 Kelvin. That's the unit, if anything, right? No degrees, notice. All right, so for the next one you go and you do the same thing. Solution is as follows. You put Kelvin is equals to degrees Celsius plus 273. Kelvin is equals to negative 523 plus 273. Kelvin is equal to negative 250 Kelvin. That's your answer. You put here now negative 250 Kelvin. Okay, and that's how you work out for the conversion part. Okay, so nothing is difficult on the converting part.